What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to change, or I should say add fluid to your trim system and bleed it, because right now I'm having an issue with mine going down. It's making a lot of noise and not going down smooth. So this is the issue that I'm having. When you trim it down, that's the issue right there. So we're gonna bleed the system, try and get the air out of it, and it should fix it. All you'll need is trim and tilt fluid. Decided to go with the West Marine biorenewable. Save a dying planet. A big flathead and a pump to get into the filler hole. So first you want to level the boat so it's leveled. Tilt the engine up. Then there's going to be a flathead screw. You're going to want to unscrew that there. I'll do this real quickly. Push hard and turn. Loosen that up. Pull this cap off here. This is super simple, guys. Alright. So now we're just going to put the hose in there and pump some trim fluid in there. And then we're going to trim the motor up and down, and refill it each time. So we screwed the pump onto the bottle. We're going to take this, put it right into that hole right there, and then we're going to pump until we start seeing fluid come out. We're going to put the cap back on it, screw that on, and now we're going to trim it down. Alright, now back up. You just hear the air coming out of it as you release the cap. Alright, that's coming out of there. Put the cap on real quick. We're going to repeat this process 2 or 3 times. It goes. Going down nice and smooth. No hesitation, no noise. And that's how you bleed the system in your tilt and trim.